The 2022 Ram 1500 Laramie G, T and Rebel G, T. Ram is going through a purple patch right now and it doesn't want to take its foot off the gas pedal. After beating the Chevy Silverado and the Ford F-Series in the second quarter sales this year, Ram is keeping the ball rolling by adding spice to its arsenal. The automaker launched the 1500 limited 10th anniversary edition earlier this month and has now come up with a couple more special edition trucks. This time, they're based on the Laramie and Rebel models. Ram has introduced G.T models for the 1500 Laramie and the 1500 Rebel that come with aesthetic upgrades and an updated exhaust system. They are priced at a premium over the standard models and will be available within the next couple of months. What's special about the Ram 1500 Laramie G.T and Rebel G.T? On the outside, the Laramie G.T and the Rebel G.T come with a performance hood that distinguishes them from their standard counterparts. There are G.T decals on the body, too. But, apart from these things, nothing else is different. Also, the G.T trims will be available only in the crew cab configuration. Inside the cabin, you get a lot of new additions. These trims come with bucket seats with G.T logo on them. It also comes with all-weather floor mats, and other niceties, like the paddle shifters and metal pedal kit. They also come with performance pages that offer exhaustive performance and drive-related data. With this, you can get the real-time performance of the truck, timers for the 0 to 60 miles per hour sprints, G-force, gauges, and engine performance. You can even transfer this data onto a USB stick. The highlight for me, however, is the console-mounted shifter. These are the first non-TRX models to get them. The knob from the other trims and models might be easy to use, but for any purist, nothing beats the old-school charm of a conventional gear shifter. Coming to the under-the-skin upgrade, the Laramie G.T and the Rebel G.T come with a factory-installed cold-end exhaust and cold air intake as standard. These trims will be available only with the 5.7-liter V8 Hemi engine with the e-torque mild hybrid system. The mill churns out 410 ponies and 395 pound-feet of torque. Power is routed to the wheels via an 8-speed TorqueFlite automatic gearbox. How much do the G.T models cost? Ram has announced the pricing for the 2022 Ram 1500 Rebel G.T and the Laramie G.T. They are priced at 1500 Rebel G.T minus $57,070, 1500 Laramie G.T minus $57,175. To put things into perspective, the 2021-1500 Rebel in the crew cab configuration and with the same engine is priced at $53,610 including destination. The 2021-1500 Laramie, also in the same configuration and engine option, costs $48,920 including destination. Final thoughts. They seem to be priced at a rather high premium when compared to the standard trims, especially the Laramie, but it is worth it. If it were me, I'd be ready to shell out this difference just for the console-mounted shifter. Stuff like the performance hood, the paddle shifters, and the metal pedal kit give you a taste of the TRX for a lot less money. The 2022 Ram 1500 Laramie G.T and Rebel G.T go on sale in the third quarter of 2021.
If you liked this video, please share your thoughts in the comments below and don't forget to hit the subscribe button.